grateful for you. And here's why you'll want to stay on this art journey with me. You helped me build this. A heartfelt thank you. And what's next on Ayasha Loya Fine Arts? This isn't just an art channel. It's about healing, transformation, and legacy. Hi, I am Ayasha Loya, a Native American fine artist, using bold Cubist colors and sacred storytelling to help people like you heal, grow, and express their truth and find the creative spirit within. If you're here right now, you're part of the magic, and I thank you. And that means this video is for you. I'm here in my wood shop. I do a lot of woodworking in here also, and make a lot of things. My creative ways never stop. Born and bred that way. Born and bred that way. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being here. Every view, like, and comment fuels this growing community of soulful creators, dreamers, and survivors like you and myself. Again, I am Ayasha Loya, a Native American master fine artist. I use art and music to help people heal, reclaim their voice, and ignite purpose. We all have a purpose. You're valued. You have a purpose in life. And through vibrant Cubist storytelling, live painting, and weekly inspiration, I guide you on how to transform pain into power. That's right. I'm going to teach you how to transform your pain and your anxiety and depression, PTSD, into power. One brushstroke at a time. One connection at a time. One comment back and forth at a time. I'm here for you. So subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share to join the movement where art meets healing and personal growth. You'll get exclusive behind the scenes into my life as an artist, Native American, mini farmer. Do you hear my chicken back there? My chicken's back there laying some eggs right now. Inflation what? Inflation what? I think inflation just went down. For me, on the eggs anyways. No more $10 a dozen. And we are going to explore the spirit and secrets of Picasso and Cubism. You'll learn to express emotions, create boldly, and live authentically. We connect every week through powerful new videos, art challenges, and community. I also help YouTube creators with YouTube growth and strategy, as along the way, I learn the techniques and tips that I provide you are because I have learned them along the way and I've tested them out. Messy hair, I don't care. Today is, I'm not even supposed to be working. Only on shorts. It's you guys. You guys inspire me every second to get on here because your love and compassion and your connection, like a family connection, your love, compassion, and connection, it's helped me heal. You've helped me be more creative. You have ignited that fire and that spirit within me to come blazing out like a champion. This video is more than just a thank you. It's a celebration of what's ahead. Will you keep creating with me? Will you keep learning with me? Will you come along on this sacred journey for spiritual healing and self-identification finding yourself and who you are, what your passions are, and what you're worth. This creative experience, it's for you. You must subscribe now to keep updated. And don't just watch. Be a part of the movement. Be a part of the family. Comment, share, like. Because I comment right back. I don't care if I get millions of followers. If I gotta hire people to comment back, they're gonna comment because hello? Well, this person said this. Did you see this? I would like to know. Well, how would you personally want to respond? Connections. That's what it's all about. And I'm going to keep those connections because to me, I don't care if I only have 100 subscribers. I am here to help you and to have a family unit connection. Even if I had 100 subscribers, as long as I connect with them personally, that is priceless. It's better than having 100 million and never talking to them, which I see a lot of people doing on YouTube. Of course, it may be too much for them to comment back, but, make an effort or hire somebody that can call you and say, look, this person's asking this question, or this person's curious about this, or this person's really praising you for what you've done. Could you say something back? Because it's about connecting. Why would you have a YouTube channel if you don't want to connect? And be transparent. Show your face. Transparency is everything. In 2025, you need to be transparent. Yes. But yeah, I do woodworks for my art. I do a little bit of a whole lot of everything. Try to keep up. But I like to be transparent, so I'm going to show you guys a lot of stuff and how I do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're enjoying this video, you're sure gonna want to check out the video down below in the description, because I am going to show you a video of the chicken dance. That's right. My chickens were dancing with me. And I was showing you my lifestyle and my chickens and duck and dog and how I build a chicken coop on my own. As a little bitty 4'10" disabled veteran, I was on a mission. Make sure I had food supply before the inflation got worse and the tariffs went up. I knew better. So last fall I built one and I show it to you on it. So it's called the Chicken Dance. It's in my long form videos, my regular videos. Don't forget to go and check it out, but I also put it in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And to film that video, I used my iPhone 16 Pro Plus on cinematic mode. And then I took all my clips and I placed them in CapCut. I got the CapCut Premium Edition, which I suggest. I mean, you can use the free to edit your videos, but on the free, you don't have all the capabilities that you do on the premium. And I left some mistakes in that video, so next week I can teach you about it. Sounds like I'm trying to sell CapCut. Maybe I should become an affiliate. Well, I kind of am. I have templates on there. They did hire me as a creator, so go ahead and check out my templates on there too. Till next time. Keep creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And keep me addicted to coming back and seeing you, because you're everything to me. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to all my viewers, subscribers, and supporters.